This Peridia Pool Home is priced to sell. Don't miss your chance to purchase a very nice home in this wonderful golf course community. This 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bathroom home is in good shape and offers tons of natural light. Featuring a great room floor plan and a split bedroom design as well as cathedral ceilings that maximize the space of the living areas. The foyer entry will focus your eyes on the living space and backyard pool. The kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel dishwasher and fridge. The master bedroom is ample sized and offers a big walk-in closet and master bathroom. Additional spaces include an office/den, 2-car garage and additional storage throughout the house. The pool has been recently resurfaced and the large screened-in pool deck lets you bring the outdoors in as you open the sliders to enjoy the beautiful Florida winters. Peridia is an active community with golf, tennis, clubhouse with dining, entertainment, tiki bar, exercise classes, heated pool and more. Located only minutes to world-class shopping, restaurants, airport and the interstate. Don't miss this one.